In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to unblock your lost or stolen Android phone if you get it back. That is, if you had blocked it when it was actually lost. First of all, congratulations that you got your phone back. It is actually very difficult for people to find their lost or stolen phones these days. Now, to unblock your phone, it actually depends on the procedure you used to block it. The first thing is, if you are a person who went to the police station to block your phone when it was lost, you filed in a missing complaint, what you need to do is just go ahead and ask them to unblock it. Now, maybe they had used the software in their station to block your phone, maybe block your IMEI number, and your phone was blocked. Maybe they did that when you complained. So now what you need to do is just get back there and tell them to unblock it. Now, the second scenario is if you had blocked your phone using Google Find Hub. So when your phone is lost or stolen, you get to Google Find Hub and then you log in with the same email address that was on your lost or stolen phone, and then you may have went ahead and clicked on secure device and you clicked on continue. So when you do this, your device gets locked. So when you turn on this from your side after your phone is misplaced, whenever your phone came online, it got blocked. And you are going to see a notification out here telling you that the phone is blocked. So when you find your phone, all you have to do is charge the phone first, switch it on, and then go ahead and unlock your phone with the same pin or pattern, whatever you remember, and it is going to get unlocked. You don't have to do anything else. The third scenario is a very rare case, but it may just happen for some brands or some network carriers. You may have blocked your phone by calling up your network provider and asking them to blacklist your phone or block your IMEI number, whatever. If that actually happened, it's a very rare case, but if that actually happened, if they were able to block your phone, then you call them back and then ask them to unblock your phone. And the final scenario, which is super rare, you may have went ahead to a genuine website or a genuine company to track your lost or stolen phone, and they actually found it. When you get to such websites or companies, they first of all go ahead and block your phone so that it is not misused. So you get back to the same website or same company or same person, and then you ask them to unblock it. That's it. I hope you got some value. If you did, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.